Ka District Mission Coordinator SSA West Giant Hill Secondary Utrik Jeliu kala Sdang ya ke program jinghikai kerpang ya ki kena kynthei kumno banyadai la de na kriu shim kabu kabetip kum ka self defense training for girl students. Kani ka jinghikai kan ne lai bnai kynthi na kabenta ki South Lake School hapo ksor Jowai ba kuntup ka RCF mi mentdu Upper Primary School SSA Panaliar SSA Upper Primary School Thatlabo Presbyterian Upper Primary School SSA QC Springside Upper Primary School Bat Panaliar Upper Primary School SSA. Shua kejinghikai kaladon kejingelang lingkot bala penyaj da kakong baya hunlang pawa assistant teacher RC if mi mentedu bat layok kejing batai syapang ka self defense training na uma alan yang ti president ka West Giant Hills Karate Do Association bat na kakong sami na kiwar pasa member WJHKDA Jowai. Layok ru kejingkren na uma SD lalu community mobilizer SSA bat kejingkren Aiman Sim yaki kena school na ufada H Lamare parish priest ka Jowai diocese ubalong kum ukong sanjong kene ke program. Ufada H Lamare ha kejingkren ula kentu yaki kena banlong ki kena ki banang ban ri ya ka akor burom bat ban pelit jingmut ha ka porsha hikai kenang bakinyo jing mentoy na kene ke program.
We have two enemies. First enemy, spiritual enemy. You learn spiritual enemy, the devil. The devil, the temptation. Someone tempts to do something wrong. You have to say no. You have to defend yourself. No, I don't want. To be clear, suppose someone asks you, let's go and drink. That is a kind of spiritual temptation. Will ask you, let's go and drink. I'm not supposed to drink. Say, no, I don't drink. I'm not supposed to drink. That's called spiritual. And once you get into such problem, to such temptation, will get into so many other things. Therefore, the first we have to learn is to defend ourselves, to say no to certain things which are not good. There are so many things around us which are good, and if we don't know how to make use of them, they may be bad. It's a temptation. We are, let me say the Christian way, we are Christians. We read the Gospel of St. Matthew. Jesus was tempted. The devil said, you turn the stone, become bread so that you may eat. The Lord said, no, don't tell me. Then the devil took him up, you throw yourself, God will protect you. He said, no. 3-4 times Jesus no to that temptation, and the end the devil went away. So also in life, all of us, maybe children, maybe adult, whoever it may be, we will always face this spiritual temptation. It may be from people, it may be the things, the books you learn, the things that you see, media could be that. It's good, but depends how you see it. It may become bad, and it may be led astray. There are first art I want to put, I think, what our friends will be showing us. Secondly, the physical enemies we see there. Maybe your friends or somebody else from outside that comes to do something that will destroy you. I said, no, you resist. Your mind must be strong enough. No, I wouldn't. Then your physical body, as you will see, to show how you defend yourself. I think this art very, very important for all of us, and especially for you. Since we made this program for you, dear children, dear girls, we need to learn to defend ourselves. So we are grateful to the association. Thank you, DMC, for bringing this program here. I hope our children will learn, and for us too, even teachers will learn how to defend themselves.
Hakni kesni kidukot ka West Giant Hills Karate Do Association hakijing alam una o man kiwi war pasa instructor second dan black belt bat uribej o pede instructor first dan black belt kilapen ih pedeng ki kena ya ki buat kilat kumno ban ya daya lede habadon ki breu ki bertemu ban tombor yaki.
It's not just about kicks or punches, it also teaches you discipline. Number 1 is discipline. Number 2 is focus. 3 is awareness. And 4, confidence. Okay? It teaches you to stay calm and to use your mind and to know your strength. Okay. In real life situations, when there's harm that happens in real life, Sometimes we panic, we don't know what to do. And that is a natural response. It's called the fight or flight response. Hewa mtibi, you couldn't do more to fight or to flight. To uyurima. Tang emipor, sometimes kantang di kentai. We freeze. Ne ichkukne. And that is why self-defense and karate will make a huge difference. Because by training ourselves and our bodies, mantas ni practice training build tego angika muscle memory. Muscle memory is not muscle memory. Your body, you train your body. So when things happen in real life, you don't have to think twice, you don't have to use your mind. Manda train, through your muscle memory, you're able to use your body to fight, to defend yourself, and then to walk away and run away. Okay? So, ite ang muntugasni, we will be showing you some demonstration, some basic techniques. And I want to say 12 before I end this, that self-defense is not about violence. It's about being ready. It's about readiness, awareness, and knowing your ability and your strength. Duiterani kuplechibun.
Kala,
Yan sada!
始め。
Mendo kata tahu atau gini program atau kawan kami gini segi atau program UMKM ah. Isinya atau isinya UMKM Melawi yang betah gini program. Kamtam ini lihat ke presiden dia ke radio station nedu mencuba cenai sanyung ini. Kuai promote. Jadi kerti kamu sport gini distrik yang ini. Haji por le kuau hikai kamu nujeda di naga ketin karate tibi to wan ngane ketin Japanese wo gi empty hand umut wo yeda di nonong chon wo klem kitiar gitar umut dekti te snyau to ke buram go bro ko ila yo bentalang ne ni tengah nungkong dap de jisyang mo ikro yak office yang ga DMC SSA Jowai udah ga kam ni program hay wo ikai kena skur kamtang kena kynthei hai to ko self defense wa em kama do kata ne ba yu ito hakaleng ke partai kamtang wad ha district ang ila jingtia ge upun ki ba kena kynthei chale ben cha penja burom gi